Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how you can device ban on Snapchat, where you can unban it and use your Snapchat, but not just that, you can also make a lot of other stuff. All you will have to use this, and let me quickly show you how to actually do that too. First, you will have to have this app called Yulu VPN, which is basically the developer of this, which I will explain a little later, but let me show you. So basically, I am here on my phone. Once you have this app installed on your iPhone, it will just get you removed with your device ban, and you can start using it. But one more thing very special that I want to show you is, so you can see here I have a username that I want to use without using even the password. You will have to click on Bypass Password. And the magic happens now we have logged into any account we want. And it has more of these mods that you can find out by having the app. Do is open your phone browser and go to this site, yuluvpn.com. Basically, this app can only be gotten once you activate the Yulu VPN, as it is the same developer. So what we have to do is click the button that says pricing, and then click Get VPN. Yes, it says $3.99, but I'll show you guys how to get it for free after, so do not worry. But anyways, click Add to Cart, and then click the View Cart option, and then click Proceed to check out. You're going to want to fill out all the details it asks for and check out. Once you check out, it will take you to the login dashboard from here. It will give us our credentials. What we have to do is take these credentials and download the app called NordVPN from the App Store or Google Play Store, or you can get it on Windows or Mac as well. But anyways, download this NordVPN app, and then you're going to want to find the login and login with the credentials. Now this is the usual NordVPN app, but it's with the glitched YuluVPN credentials. So this will only work when you use the glitched YuluVPN credentials. Then once you download it, go ahead now and enter these credentials into NordVPN app or software. I entered it in E, and now it says Yulu VPN member detected. Bonus apps and developer access will now start installing. And when it talks about bonus apps, it's talking about the Photos Recovery app and also this Hush Watch app that it gives you. So they give you this additional app called Hush Watch that lets you spy on anyone's location and see all their text messages and stuff like that. Like as you can see them in the app now. And there's a bunch of options. Let me click Access Target's phone. As you can see, I'm clicking it, and it lets you type any number. Now we will access their phone, and let's see if it works. Okay, so look at that. We got full access to their phone and can open any of their apps, view their texts, call history, and so much more. Also, it will allow you to track the person's location as well, which is crazy, which I will demonstrate to you now. So as you can see, I am able to see their entire location. And by the way, guys, after you activate the VPN, the apps will download instantly to your home screen, and that's all you need to do. And if you guys want to get a refund on the VPN and get your money back, that is also really easy. Just go back to yuluvpn.com and click the Get Refund option from the menu. It will ask for an email. Just put in the email you made the original order with, and they will refund you within a few business days. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Good. Bye.